For Campus Kitchen specifically, if you wanted to create a new report, a new dashboard, all you do is go to New Report. Under Reports, shows all the master detail relationships with everything, or just by itself. Go with this one because it will have its correct associations. So now you have all possible routes, clients, and visits, but mostly relying on the visits. As you can see, these will be shown in chronological order. So what you can do is really anything. You just drag and drop. If you want the client name and address, it'll add it to right there. If you wanted to show if there was a misdelivery on each of these visit IDs and see when the date was, just put in the visit date. It kind of just groups that. You can do ascending order. You could change the font, so you could do it by summary. You do grouping by client name might be easiest, so you can see which route it is. You can pull it out, show it. Well, it's going to be the same address for every single one. And then you can see the visit ID, date of delivery, any possible client notes that's associated with this. And you can do it by any way, shape, or form. Take the visit ID out and be able to see anything that you wanted to. So for the dashboard purposes, let's just see with youth count. Take out the address. Go back to tabular format so we could see the client name. And let's also do if they missed delivery that week. So then once you save this, we can do demonstration report. Save and run report. Alright, we can do new dashboard. Or here we'll go through here, report, new dashboard. Let's show the number. And then we're going to go ahead in the data source, add the report that we want. And let's do demonstration report, pull it in here. No, that can't be used. Okay, well, we can show, that's probably because of certain capabilities that we didn't have many different aspects. So let's go ahead and do client data report, because I know there's a lot of information in there. And then once that loads in, which might take a little bit, you can change the size, make it wide, and that's by weekly sec ID. We can go into this and change what's exactly shown. So x-axis, we could do the percent of containers returned. Oh, here we can do this with this one. That would be good. So show the percent of containers returned. And when you format to make it just more efficient, we could do maximum is 100. And then yellow, let's do 75. And then 50 would be good. So that way you can see that percent of containers returned. 75 to 100% would be good. 50 to 75% is decent. Could be better. 0 to 50% is really bad. So that's shown right there, and you can change this however you want it. Change the colors. And this would be an accurate representation of seeing it. So once you see the percent of containers returned, how it's going, to edit it, and then you can go into any other kind of graphs and charts if the table will allow it. And then once you go ahead and save it, we can call it demonstration dashboard. Say run dashboard. You're going to gather the data, and then you can just edit it, add stuff, and make it however you want. And this is the dashboard we currently have for Campus Kitchen. And you can see that shows a lot more graphs and aspects.